Hello, old friend. It has been a while. I took a break from YouTube when I moved, just to give myself some time to settle in. But then the short break turned into a few months, and while this has been the perfect thing to refresh my creativity, and now I have so many new ideas for what I want to create on my channel, I've been struggling with how and when to get back into it. I wanted my return to be big and amazing, but then that pressure was preventing me from doing anything at all. So finally, I just decided to keep it simple, and here we are. This is my July setup in my bullet journal. Since I've been gone, I haven't completely disappeared from the online world. Actually, most of my time this past month has been spent working on my online shop. As many of you know, I had an Etsy store where I sold stickers and artwork, and at the beginning of June, I made the big decision to move on from Etsy and create my very own website. I've just been having so much fun running my shop and creating new designs, so that's another one of the reasons why I've been away from YouTube for so long. But if you want to go check out my new shop, I will have it linked down below. All of the stickers that you're going to see me use in this video are actually my own. I've made lots of new designs over the last few weeks, and this is my first time really using them all in my bullet journal, and I really love them. So for the first page in this spread, I decided to make it like a dashboard for July. So I drew out a calendar for the month, and then I added a little box where I can write down all of my goals that I want to accomplish this month, and I added the moon phases so I can keep track of those. And at the very bottom, I wrote down a little summer playlist of some songs that I've been loving lately. If you guys want a little update of what I've been up to the last couple months, besides running my shop, of course. So I moved at the beginning of May, and you might have seen my video that I posted about the move. We drove across the country from Tennessee up to Washington, and it was such a fun road trip. And as soon as I got here, I felt like this was home. I knew this is where I'm supposed to be, at least for the moment. And I've just been spending so much time exploring the city and the mountains and the wilderness around the city, and it's just been so much fun. I cut my hair a bit shorter recently, which has been another nice change, and I've slowly been working on furnishing my new apartment. It's still pretty bare at the moment, but I'm slowly bringing in a few beautiful and inspiring things to fill my space with. Hopefully I'll be able to make an apartment tour soon whenever I get it a little bit more set up. But anyways, this second page of the spread is just a weekly setup for the second week of July. I missed the first week. I just didn't do any planning or any bullet journaling. So I'm starting with the second week, and I used one of my new sticker sets to label the days of the week. I wrote a few to-dos under each day of the week, and I'll make those lists longer whenever I get my week a little bit more planned out. But that's it for this spread. I really love how it turned out. I think the colors and the floral theme are really nice, and of course I love my new stickers, and I hope that you do too. Like I said in the beginning, if you want to go check out my new shop, I'll have it linked down below. And also I have a bunch of new printables, so if you don't want to pay for shipping for the stickers, or you just don't want to wait for them to be shipped to you, you can go have a look at some of my printables. I hope you guys are having a wonderful summer. I am so happy to be back making videos again. I will see you guys again very soon.